Aaron's getting out to go to this location, and lighting's horrible. But we're gonna be vlogging at all his claw machine routes today. So let's get out and see what he has. I'm sure if you guys watch his channel, you might know a little bit about it, but for those who have not, this is the machine he has. Alright guys, here's Aaron filling his machine. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
There you go, that's good.
I don't want that.
That looks horrible. Yeah, I still have to test it. I'll do that one. Last week I left this on top of the machine. Yeah.
You stupid.
They called me like a couple hours later saying, you want to come back and put your thing back in the machine?
Such a good restock. Perfect. Let's go. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to. It was an accidental zoom, guys.
What? I have to change the payout rate too.
Wow.
Oh, that's
I don't. Was it?
Yeah, that's payout.
Oh my god. Alright guys, Aaron's cleaning his machine.
Let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. Let's go for this thing first. Aaron's like, start his beating.
You got 6 seconds. 3, 2.
Really?
What?
Cut me off by a few seconds. Really?
Will thought he was so cocky, thinking he was gonna win.
I didn't say I was gonna win.
Can Will beat the payout rate? Can Will beat that payout rate? I think he did.
Oh,
Will beat the payout rate.
go.
You got me.
Nice.
But now, Aaron, am I cocky now?
I don't know. I mean,
It hits the ground. Ew.
hook right in his arm. You should get it. 6 seconds.
Let's get it in both arms. Oh.
Got it. Oh, wait,
Oh.
stay.
No.
Yeah, you got it.
You got me.
Sorry, Aaron.
We're good. Ooh, go for scoot. Get the grandma.
Graham? Oh, Graham.
Oh.
Graham?
Nah, it's gonna drop that. Oh, maybe.
Oh my
God. Oh, barely.
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 Try again. Let's get started.
We'll just rake her in.
Oh
Or rape her in, you know?
yeah. Get her booty in there.
There you got her booty in there.
Scooby? Come on. Ooh.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
baby.
Oh.
Did you seriously get that? Oh my god.
Sorry, Aaron.
You're wrecking.
You got me.
You just got wrecked with a K.
Oh my god.
Are you
This is horrible. What are you doing? Oh.
I just want to rake this guy. Oh. You're like, well, would you stop it? Oh.
You're in all time.
Okay, see, I did not want there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not. Maybe he's just saying that so I won't hook it in the arms. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, that might actually drop it. No, you got that.
Alright.
You got me.
Do I stop now? Do I make Aaron suffer?
It's up to you.
I should really make Aaron suffer. That's what I Ooh.
Oh, what if you got the headphones in that black thing? Oh, you'd get the headphones in.
Headphones, schmedphones.
Yeah. 4 seconds.
Ooh, not happening. We'll
2
just see
seconds.
what this does. Stay.
Oh, that one's
Oh, it's gonna drop.
Oh.
Aaron.
Oh.
I want 2 prongs on
I would go over and under.
whatever. Can I see if I can grab them?
Oh my god, you got it.
Stay.
Oh.
Aaron.
I don't see they can be one, but you need to get like one over the side. Yeah. Oh, try to drag. Oh, wait. Oh, Betty.
Ooh.
It looks like it's stuck. Oh, that was okay.
Yeah,
that was cool.
That was awesome.
That was really cool.
Am I still good on battery or?
Yeah. Oh, that's yours. Yeah. That's yours. Yeah.
No. Boy. Oh,
Boy,
no.
you better. No, that's yours.
Stay.
You got it. No, that's yours. That's yours.
Wait.
That's
it's
yours.
on.
Oh, look at how gettable that is. Oh, no, it's gonna drop
Wait,
again.
it's gotta run that tag.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah, you got it.
You got
Alright,
me.
I got one more try left. Let's try that. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Okay.
Go.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh my
Doesn't even
gosh.
close enough. You have to
There's
go
no
back
way.
more. You have to go back more.
I'm
Drop it
hoping
a
its
little more.
arms are flimsy enough. Like that.
A little more. Go back. A little more. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god,
my
stay. Oh, see, it did work. Nice.
I thought you wanted me to drop. I'm like, stay,
Let's
drop,
get
stay,
started.
drop.
It probably would have charged the bat. Oh, you got battery still. You're good. Okay. Honestly, you could probably just drop it flat on it and you would get it.
Oh shoot. Alright, let's do.
Try it again.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh.
yours. That's yours.
Get in there.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
2 in a row.
You
Got
got
him.
me.